Pi Network, a mobile-first cryptocurrency project, has faced significant challenges in recent months. Launched with the vision of making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, Pi Network has garnered a massive user base. However, the journey has not been without its hurdles. The project, which initially promised a decentralized and user-friendly approach to digital currency, is now grappling with several critical issues that could determine its future. Despite reaching millions of users, Pi Network is at a crossroads. The community, once vibrant and hopeful, is now filled with uncertainty. The initial excitement has given way to questions and concerns about the project's direction and viability. Many users are wondering if the promises made during the early stages will ever come to fruition. The project's native token, Pi, has experienced a price drop. This decline has been a significant blow to the community, which had high hopes for the token's value. The drop in price has raised alarms and led to a wave of speculation about the underlying reasons. Is it a temporary setback, or does it indicate deeper issues within the project? Meanwhile, the core team has remained largely silent. This silence has only fueled more speculation and concern. In the world of cryptocurrency, communication is key, and the lack of updates from the team has left many users feeling abandoned. The community is eager for transparency and answers, but so far, they have been met with silence. This lack of communication has led to uncertainty and frustration within the community. Users are left to speculate and draw their own conclusions, which often leads to misinformation and panic. The once united community is now fragmented, with many members expressing their doubts and frustrations openly. This essay will delve into the recent developments surrounding Pi Network, exploring the reasons behind the price drop and the core team's silence. We will look at the factors that have contributed to the current state of the project and what it means for the future. By examining these issues, we hope to provide a clearer picture of where Pi Network stands and what might lie ahead. We'll also examine the recent listing on the BTCC exchange, migration issues, and the speculation about a possible Pi coin burn. These developments have added another layer of complexity to the situation. The listing on BTCC was seen as a positive step, but it has also brought new challenges and questions. The migration process has been fraught with difficulties, and the idea of a coin burn has sparked intense debate within the community. Furthermore, we will analyze Pi's current price, potential catalysts for recovery, and the overall community sentiment. Understanding these elements is crucial for anyone invested in the project. The current price of Pi is a reflection of the market's confidence, or lack thereof, in the project's future. Identifying potential catalysts for recovery can help users make informed decisions about their involvement with Pi Network. Our goal is to provide a neutral and factual overview of the current state of Pi Network. By presenting the facts and analyzing the recent developments, we aim to offer a balanced perspective that can help users navigate the uncertainties surrounding the project. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the intricacies of Pi Network and its journey so far. Pi's price has dropped significantly over the past few weeks, causing a wave of concern among its investors and community members. Since its all-time high of $2.98 in February 2025, this peak was seen as a major milestone for the Pi Network, marking its potential in the competitive cryptocurrency market. As of March 26, 2025, Pi is trading below $1, currently at 94.32 cents. This sharp decline has left many wondering about the stability and future of the Pi Network. This represents a 6.3% decrease in recent times and a staggering 66% drop from its peak. The rapid decline has not only affected investor confidence, but also raised questions about the underlying factors contributing to this downturn. The core team's silence on the matter has amplified concerns. Many community members have taken to social media to express their worries and seek answers. The lack of updates regarding the price drop, future plans, and project development has fueled speculation and uncertainty among users. This silence is particularly troubling given the project's previous commitment to transparency and regular communication. This absence of communication raises questions about the project's transparency and future direction. Users are left in the dark, unsure of what steps the core team is taking to address the situation. The lack of clear communication from the core team is a major concern for the Pi Network community. Without timely updates and reassurances, the community's trust in the project is at risk, potentially leading to further declines in the cryptocurrency's value. Amidst the price drop and uncertainty, Pi Network received a listing on the BTCC exchange. This listing, alongside other altcoins, suggests some market interest in Pi. However, it's worth noting that BTCC is not a major cryptocurrency exchange. The impact of this listing on Pi's price and overall adoption remains to be seen. Furthermore, there have been no official announcements from major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase regarding the listing of Pi. The BTCC listing offers a glimmer of hope for Pi Network, but its long-term impact is uncertain. The Pi Network migration deadline of March 14, 2025, has caused significant uncertainty for millions of users. Many KYC-verified users have reported issues with unverified balances. Adding to the frustration, the core team has not provided clear explanations or solutions for these issues. The promised rewards for Pi validators also remain undistributed. The lack of communication and concrete actions from the core team regarding these pressing issues has eroded trust within the community. Users are left wondering about the future of their Pi holdings and the project itself. Speculation is rife within the Pi Network community about a potential coin burn. A coin burn is a process where a portion of the total token supply is permanently removed from circulation. Proponents of a Pi coin burn believe it could address concerns about oversupply and potentially increase the value of Pi. They argue that a smaller circulating supply could lead to price appreciation. However, the Pi Network core team has not confirmed any plans for a coin burn. It's crucial to remember that the success of a coin burn depends on various factors, including market demand, real-world adoption, and overall market sentiment. Section 6. Pi Network Price Analysis and Future Outlook. In this section, we will delve into the current price trends of Pi Network, analyze its technical indicators, and discuss the potential future outlook for this cryptocurrency. Technically, Pi Network exhibits bearish indicators. The recent price movements have shown a downward trend, which has raised concerns among investors. However, a potential bullish falling wedge pattern offers a glimmer of hope. This pattern is often seen as a reversal signal indicating that the price might soon start to rise. The next 30 days will see 97.65 million Pi coins unlocked, which could significantly impact the market dynamics. With the largest single unlock of 6.8 million occurring on April 3rd, this event is highly anticipated by the community. April will see 115.57 million tokens released, adding to the circulating supply and potentially affecting the price. Followed by 182 million in May, the market will need to absorb a substantial amount of new tokens, and 222 million in June. This continuous unlocking of tokens could lead to increased volatility in the market. While this may create selling pressure, especially among early adopters looking to cash out, it also presents opportunities for new investors to enter the market at potentially lower prices. The daily unlock rate is expected to decrease subsequently, which could help stabilize the price over time. This could potentially ease selling pressure in the long run, making Pi Network a more attractive option for long-term investors. However, Pi Network faces challenges in securing listings on major exchanges. Transparency concerns, tokenomics uncertainties, and the overall market sentiment towards new cryptocurrencies play a significant role. Additionally, a potential reluctance to pay listing fees are among the obstacles. Overcoming these challenges will be crucial for Pi Network's future success and wider adoption. Section 7. Potential catalysts for recovery. Several potential catalysts could contribute to Pi Network's recovery. A well-executed token burn announcement could boost investor confidence. Securing listings on major exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Upbit would significantly enhance Pi's credibility and accessibility. A broader recovery in the cryptocurrency market would also benefit Pi. Furthermore, increased transparency and demonstrable progress in project development could restore trust and attract new users. The Pi Network's partnership with PDAO aims to address transparency and governance concerns. The success of this partnership could be crucial for Pi's future. Section 8. Community sentiment and divided opinions. The Pi Network community is visibly divided. While some users remain optimistic about the project's future, others express frustration and disappointment. The lack of communication from the core team has fueled skepticism and distrust among some users. They feel left in the dark about the project's direction and their investments. On the other hand, some users maintain their belief in the project's potential. They argue that Pi Network is still in its early stages and that the core team is working diligently behind the scenes. This division within the community highlights the need for clear and consistent communication from the Pi Network core team. Section 9. The need for transparency and communication. The Pi Network core team's silence is deafening. In the face of price drops, migration issues, and community concerns, clear and consistent communication is paramount. Transparency about the project's roadmap, tokenomics, and any plans for a coin burn is crucial for rebuilding trust and attracting new users. The core team must address the community's concerns and provide regular updates on the project's progress. Without open communication and demonstrable action, Pi Network risks losing the trust and support of its community. The future of Pi Network depends on the core team's ability to address these pressing issues and regain the community's confidence.